Vacations with diabetes can be a challenge. This trip, I figured out my backups. Better have backups. 7-day cruise, middle of the ocean. We brought a lot of stuff. Luckily, we didn't need most of it. I did bring 20 insets. Probably used 3. One of the things that we brought was a backup meter. Kind of an interesting lesson here. Benny has his regular meter with him now. This didn't work so well. We didn't check the batteries. We didn't really check it out before we left, so it was no good if we had needed it. Luckily, we didn't. Also brought a lot of insulin. This is the open insulin vial. I put it in one of Benny's pump cases that he usually wears to give it some cushion. Brought 2 more, fresh from the pharmacy as well. Didn't really have to worry about lows, as it turns out. Have you been on a cruise? There's quite a lot of food there. So we did bring tons of juice boxes. Ugh, didn't even have to break this open though. More trying to keep his blood sugar from going too high. And I love this. Animas sends a vacation pump or a loaner pump. The blue tape on here is ours. But it's terrific. So in case something does go wrong, you have a backup. And we always bring batteries for the pump as well. I'm realizing though, we didn't bring syringes. So that's something I definitely have to make sure to put on my list just in case for next time. But you know what? I brought a ton of stuff, but the kids swam and snorkeled, went to the beach, stayed up way too late. We all ate a little bit too much food, but we had a great time.